Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm back at Cabramatta. I'm going to film a few trains for my loyal viewers. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I've made a decision on my own accord, and I've decided to walk from Cabramatta to Canley Vale station, which are close, since they're close to each other, and they can be reached by within 15 minutes on foot. Anyway viewers, that's all for this episode of Paul's Train Vlogs. It's time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.